Alright guys, hey, by a show of thumbs, did everybody get the safety briefing while you're inside? Everybody's good on it? Any questions at all on that? Okay. And then Miss Beth, you have the orange handle right next to your right ankle. Just make sure not to accidentally bump it or pull it. If I need to pull and I put you work on your holiday, I got to put you in for a race. We're going to try to avoid that, but that's where it's at, okay? And then guys, if we do take off, I do have to turn the microphones off on takeoff and also on approach back in. However, during the flight, they will be turned on, so feel free to use those. A lot of voices in my head though. Most of them I know where they come from. They're all friendly. Except for the voices in my head. There are a lot of other pilots out there flying around, so I may have to ask you to repeat a question or two, or ask you to hang on a second. Just don't take that personal. Just let me deal with those guys. Always safety first, and figure out where they're at, and then we'll get right back to each other. And then the number one rule is everybody excited? Yeah? Alright guys. As everybody has an air conditioner vent above your head, feel free to adjust that. Make sure you open it or close it however you need to. And give me just a second. I'm going to have the microphones turned off. I'll get our clearance out of here and give you a heads up before we lift off, okay?
That was when I ruled the world. It's a mystery to me. We have agreed with which we have agreed. And you think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. Society, you're crazy. I hope you're not lonely without me. When you want more than you have, you think you need. And when you think your thoughts begin to bleed.
Alright guys, let's go fly.
Find a bigger place. 'Cause when you have more than you think, you need more space. Society, you're crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely.
Alright guys, how's everybody doing? Everybody good? Yeah. Is this anyone's first helicopter flight? Yeah, me too. Alright, just kidding. Just kidding. Now guys, welcome aboard. My name's Brian. Flying Brian makes it easy. Glad to have everybody.